Hello, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to take a quick moment and discuss the Make-A-Wish chapter of New Hampshire. My name is Joshua Solloway and I'm currently serving as the board chair. Very humbled to do so. And this organization is really special if you haven't had any interaction with them. Some of the most amazing people, staff, volunteers, families you will ever meet. And I just want to share my why as to how I got involved with the organization. Several years ago, my cousin Jenna was a wish child. She was diagnosed with neuroblastoma as just a 2-year-old and went through just a horrendous time of treatment and recovery. But there is a great ending to the story. She beat it. She's cancer-free for over a decade now, and it's just an amazing story. But during that journey, very difficult journey, she was granted a wish by the amazing folks at Make-A-Wish, and it just impacted our family so greatly in a positive way, which led me to getting involved several years ago. Started as a fundraiser and then a table captain at the annual breakfast, now serving on the board of directors for the organization. So if you're looking to get involved in something in the state, I highly encourage you to check out Make-A-Wish of New Hampshire, and if you get a little extra cash you want to donate, we'll take that as well. But thank you for listening, and hope to see you at an event soon.